cycle on appear and on disappear in SwiftUI. Today I am going to discuss about life cycle on appear and on disappear, in SwiftUI. So SwiftUI give us equivalent to a UI kit view did appear, view appear and view did appear and view did disappear. You can attach any code to this event that you want to any and SwiftUI will execute them when they occur. So we're gonna consider on this example, then we're gonna get on the SwiftUI view, and whichever in this life cycle life cycle on appear. Okay, which have get on the view life cycle on appear, and we're gonna get on this another view command, and this is a example view. Which have an example view, we're gonna get on this example view, and in this example view we're gonna get on this vstack, and we're gonna get on this stack. This is a second view which have a second view. Okay, and we're gonna apply dot on appear. We're gonna get on the print statement. So second view, first is we're gonna apply on the second view appeared and second view appeared, which have a second view appeared, and we're gonna create on the same dot on appear, and we're gonna apply on the dot on disappear. Perform. You can get on this print statement. In this use of print statement, second view disappear. Okay, which have we gonna get on this vstack, which have second view. In this we're gonna apply on this property, suppose in this title, and we're gonna apply on this weight, suppose which have a bold, and we're gonna apply on this color which have the red color. Okay, in this second view. Okay, and we're gonna get the life cycle. In this first we're gonna get on this vstack, we're gonna get on this vstack, and we're gonna get on this button, but have which is a requirement. I will apply on this action state property at the rate state private var is open, which is type of bool, and is equal to false. In this value is equal to false, initial value in this value false. Okay, and vstack in this is open is equal to true in this button tab in this event true, and whichever text open next screen, open next, in this open next, and this is the we're gonna apply on this text, we're gonna create on this text. This is the first view, this is the first view. Okay, and we're gonna apply on this. This is the first view, confirm on this button not apply. This is the first view, we're gonna apply on this dot on appear. We're gonna apply on this, we're gonna get on this print statement, and this is the first view appeared, and we're gonna create on this on disappear. This is the command C, we're gonna create on this command with on first view disappear. Okay, and we're gonna run this applications. This is a life cycle on appear. We're gonna get on this instance. Okay, we're gonna run this applications. We're gonna run this applications, and in this check on this event. Same working in UIKit and SwiftUI. So this is the first view appeared. In this first view appeared. Okay, and we tab on this next button. We can apply. Okay, we're gonna get on this navigation view. Navigation view, and in this vstack tab navigation, we're gonna get on this navigation link. Open your screen, navigation link, which have an initializer binding bool, in this initializer not empty and destination which have example view, example destination which have example view. In this destination bind on this property dollar is open. Okay, we're gonna run on this application. This is a same integration. This view appear, view same integration. This is view did appear and view disappear, on appear and on disappear in this Swift UI, and UI kit view disappear, view did appear and view disappear. So this is the first view is appeared. Okay, and tap on the next screen. Second view appeared, but it's not shown this screen. First view, but it's not shown this screen. Check on this issue. This is a true, and which have example view, which takes second view, and is sorry when apply on the do on appear, not apply on this on appear, and we will command X, and this is the v stack, and we apply on appear, and we apply on disappear. Print second view disappear, and commands which apply on the print second view appear. Okay, we run on this application in this issue, but not in this application, but requirement not issue. So first is this is the first view is appeared. Okay, and tapped first view, and this first view apply next screen. This second view appeared, and in this first view, but not in this situation, first view appeared and first view disappeared. Example which have a second view appeared, second view disappeared, second view appeared. So in this print on appeared, not apply on this on appeared, on appeared and on disappeared, which have on this apply on this on appeared second view, and in this first view appeared and disappeared. We're gonna run this application. This is the navigation view and navigation link. So in this navigation link, we're gonna bind on stack vstack. So in this vstack, okay, and command run, we're gonna run on this application. So life cycle on appear and on appear and on disappear. SwiftUI give us equivalent to UIKit view did appear and view did disappear. You can attach any code to these two events that you want to, and SwiftUI will execute them when they occur. Open your next screen. This is the second view. Back, second view, and next second. So you can resume on this application. So you can tab on this one. This is the first is okay. So this is the first. Second view appeared, first view disappeared in this print. Second view appeared and first view disappeared, and back on this first view. So first view appeared and second view disappeared, and this second view appeared and first view disappeared. In this same execution, this part of first is disappear and disappear. Same working in this UIKit and SwiftUI. So first view appeared and open next event. Second view appeared and first view disappeared. And first view disappeared and apply back on this event. So first view appeared and second view disappeared. In this print on this statement, first view appeared and second view disappeared. We can back on the next screen, and this second view appeared and first view disappeared. So thank you for watching this video. You can use of enjoy my channel, like my video.